rules are you talking about? They can
Yours and the legalities.
My rules. Okay.
It's not your rules. I didn't say it was your rules.
But that's actually exactly what you said. Neither here nor there. Would you like to go home now?
I wanted to go home hours ago.
You were standing here.
Well, but you showed up.
You weren't going home.
And I wasn't in a car. I didn't have my
you weren't going
keys.
home.
I didn't have.
You had your keys in your hand.
No, but I wasn't walking out here.
You were standing next to your car, ma'am.
And why are you here now?
Oh my God. All right.
And, oh my God, why are you here now?
You're welcome to leave the property.
But you're welcome to leave.
I'm going to need you. I'm going to leave you. No, I won't be leaving until you do.
Leave me alone. You're welcome.
I'm going to arrest you and take you to jail for trespassing if you don't leave the property in about 5 seconds.
No, you can't arrest me for trespassing.
I came to in reference to an issue. Did you get into maybe a little issue with the bartender or an argument with somebody?
No. Not that I remember.
You sure? You don't remember?
No.
We're very specific about it being you. So something transpired in there. So if you can help me understand. No one's in trouble at this point, but I'd like to know what's going on.
No, absolutely not.
Well, are you planning on driving?
No.
Oh, okay. You have keys in your hand next to your car, so I was just wondering.
Exactly.
Okay, that's not a crazy question. I think it's fair to assume you've got the keys in your hand, you're standing next to the car. Are you planning on driving tonight?
Right now.
Okay. Are you waiting for an Uber or a cab? Oh, did you call one?
No, I did not call one.
I'm asking you to come back inside with me so we can determine that.
But I don't want to do that.
I'm asking you to.
No, I'm not going to do that.
You're going to do what I ask you to do because we need to determine what the issue is. And they're calling on you that there's an issue here. So I'm asking you so we can sort it out so there's no confusion.
No.
Really? You sure?
Yes.
Okay. You realize that you're intoxicated, right?
I'm intoxicated. Yes.
Okay.
That's why I'm not driving.
Right. But you're also in public. So let me be very clear about what we're going to do right now. We are going to determine what happened here because I've been called here that you were causing a disturbance. Am I being clear? Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, I don't.
What part of that don't you understand?
Why you're approaching me right now.
Because the business called and explained that you are causing a disturbance. So I'm checking out with you. And I'm trying to understand, and I've offered to have you come inside with me so we could determine and sort out with the business what exactly is going on. And you're being very defensive, and you won't comply. So I've also noticed that I'm not done. I'm not done.
No, I'm not done.
Yes, you are. You are done. You're going to listen because you asked me a question.
The officer is using a classic broken record technique here. By repeatedly stating the reason for the call, the disturbance, she's trying to keep the suspect from derailing the investigation into irrelevant side arguments.
Question, and you interrupted me. I'd like to complete my sentence, and
you
then it'll
interrupted me.
Okay, ma'am. I'm
You're
gonna finish.
laughing.
I'm smiling
Why?
because I'm a pleasant person, and I'm trying to
I'm a
explain to you.
pleasant person.
That's yet to be seen. You're actually being very rude to me, and I'm trying to explain.
You're being rude to me.
No, ma'am. I'm trying to explain to you why I was called here because you asked me that question. Okay? The business called and said you are intoxicated and you are causing a disturbance, and I'm here to check out with you about that. Now, I've offered to go in with you so we could sort it out with the business, and you are refusing to cooperate with that. So I'm going to make it very clear about my intention that you are intoxicated in public and you have a business that is calling to complain about your intoxication.
And I haven't, I play pool.
Okay. There was some type of discussion with someone that you got into some altercation with, and I've asked you about that. And
With whom?
I don't know. I'm asking you because you were there. I was not.
No, you have to tell me.
I just explained to you. I don't know. I received a call from.
Well, I don't know either.
You don't remember? You don't remember having an altercation?
You don't remember?
Ma'am.
Do you?
I walked over to you because you're involved. I wasn't there.
But I'm not driving, and I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
So, what is your purpose? What? Yes.
What law makes them have to come out here? Explain that one.
And why are you asking me that on the law?
Because there is no such law, but you're claiming there is.
There is.
What is it?
Because we have both laws.
What,
why are you...
You realize you're not making any sense right now, right?
You realize that you're not making any sense. right?
Well, you're intoxicated, so I think very little
realize-
makes sense
well,
to you right now.
No, you
Sorry.
realize that you're under the authority of law, and they're
I do
trying to-
realize that. I don't think you
And
realize
I'm not
that.
driving, and I have no reason to drive, and I don't want to drive,
Thank
and
you.
I live down the street. So, no.
I'm not talking about your driving. I'm talking about the
No.
disturbance you caused.
Well,
again.
actually, you have, and you actually mentioned that how many times? So, where are we
once.
going to go with this?
I wasn't going anywhere. I was talking about the disturbance.
You actually, there's no disturbance, and there hasn't been.
Yeah, you really need to take it down.
Well, no, actually, you do.
I'm not doing anything. I'm
Well,
trying to talk to
no.
you about the situation.
Well, you have to take it down a notch too.
What am I doing wrong?
You're accusing me of taking a notch and here and there.
I'm saying that you're
So-
being very defensive and very argumentative.
I have not been. You actually showed up out of the blue.
I was called here actually
Well,
to deal with you
and I
because
don't
you're causing
understand.
disturbance in there. What
But
don't
I
you
wasn't.
understand about that? You're
I
causing a
didn't-
disturbance in here. That's why we're called here.
And what was the disturbance?
I would like to take you inside so we can talk about that.
No, I don't want to go
inside.
inside.
Okay. So I'll wait here for backup to get here, and then I'll go find out.
And then you can figure out your business.
Oh, actually it is.
Actually, it's not.
I'm conducting an investigation for a breach of peace
No,
and
you're not.
trespassing. Yes, ma'am, I am.
Well, no, you're not.
She was outside the car, right?
She's standing next to the driver door when I walked up.
Okay.
She has her keys in her hand the whole time, and I asked her if she was going to drive.
And no, I don't want to drive.
Okay.
That's
well,
great. You shouldn't because you're not in any condition to. That's a wise choice.
Well, instead of pushing a bad.
You're right. No,
Yeah.
absolutely. I would like to talk to the management.
Yeah, of
She's
course.
refusing to let me do that, and she's unfortunately.
The management about.
Check out the tactical positioning. While one officer keeps the suspect engaged, the other is gathering info from the business. This prevents the suspect from influencing witness statements or escalating the scene further inside.
What?
They called her because she's intoxicated.
No, the management didn't call.
Yes, they did.
Okay.
No, listen to her.
So do you?
What?
So you want me to go ask them what they would like for us?
No, I'm gonna go. I'll go
Okay,
ask.
okay.
She won't give her ID though,
Okay.
so that's a bit of an issue. I'll see if maybe she'll allow you to ask
Okay.
her that.
But right now we're investigating the breach of peace and a trespassing. Okay. Hello.
And where this is coming from?
Okay.
I said, let us call you an Uber, or let me have one of the female employees drive you home.
Right.
And she just snapped on me. Like,
What exactly did she say?
she called me a fat. I don't care. This is my job. I'm used to this stuff.
I can
I-
walk home right now.
I hope that you do not choose
No,
to
I can
drive.
walk home, but I'm going to sue them.
Okay. We'll tell you what.
So let's not talk about this right now.
Well, let's get you like an incident number and all that, so that
No,
if you do decide,
Absolutely
so you
not.
don't want to sue them.
No, I can sue them through a private attorney and through private shit.
Well, you need the incident number because you're gonna want the body cam footage from all of this and what they're saying to her. You know,
Well,
I'm just trying to help your case. That's all.
And what's the body cam?
The body cam is me talking to you, and then also, it would be helpful if you got the body cam from her view.
I was just trying to be respectful and get her home. That's,
Of course,
at the end of the day, that was it. And it didn't go that way.
And you're speaking for what?
Because I was called here to investigate a breach of peace and a trespassing.
Okay, and breach of peace for what?
That's what that officer's finding out right now.
So
My
I'm
job
a
is
white
just to,
girl
right.
in the town,
Yes.
and I'm white, but it doesn't matter. So
What does
If
your
I was
race have
black-
to do with anything?
No, and it always does.
Going back
Trust
inside,
me.
but the manager has requested that she be trespassed, so we're going to need that ID. So I'll have to go and talk to another employee to see if she wishes to pursue charges, and I'll be right back.
Do you have your ID?
No. I
How
do
were you
not.
drinking if you didn't have your ID?
Well, ask them, because that's their responsibility.
Okay, well now it's my responsibility to get
No,
your
it's
ID.
their, and then go in there and ask them.
Will you get her a 43 from the... Yeah, I got it. Thank you. So, that's fine. It is what it is, okay? Now look, I don't know why you're being like that with me. I haven't said anything
I
mean
don't
to
know why
you.
you're being like that. I don't even
I
know why
haven't-
all of you are. I don't even know why I'm being surrounded.
The management explained that he was notified. I guess you were here with a male patron that you knew. There's another guy that was sitting with
We're
you.
playing pool.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with that. You guys had 4 drinks total between the 2 bartenders inside. the person that you were with went in and notified management and said, hey, listen, she's been drinking my drinks and she's too intoxicated to drive. So that prompted the manager to come to you and say, hey, we would like to make sure you get home safely. This is what he's explaining to me. They offered to call you an Uber. They offered to even have somebody drive you home because you expressed to them that you lived down the street. And this is what he's telling me. And that you are very belligerent with them and very rude with them. What's going to happen is you're going to get a trespass notice. They do not want you to come back because this behavior can't be tolerated. Okay?
So I'm going to say this.
Yes, ma'am.
There was nothing that bad
Okay.
to go there. I don't understand what, I'm like shocked.
Okay.
The person that I was around tonight used to be the ex-owner of this place.
And that is relevant how?
It's interesting how she uses her connection to the ex-owner as a shield. In reality, being known by the establishment usually makes it easier for them to identify you for a trespass notice, not harder.
You just don't agree with him. But he felt it was bad enough, that your behavior was bad enough, that you caused enough of a disturbance.
But there was no behavior.
Oh.
That's the irony.
Okay. I guess so. But either way, I don't want to argue with you about it. You're going to get the trespass notice, and that means...
Well, then give it. Because I don't care.
She's going to explain what it means, okay?
Yeah. If you return to the property, you can be arrested.
I don't care. It's nothing to do with this place.
Yeah.
This is the irony. It just... To have this going on perplexes me. I don't get it.
I would like to add, ma'am, that if you need to get your car back in the morning or whenever, if you want to get it yourself, you need to call us to do a security escort so you don't go to jail for trespassing. We'll come help you get it, or we'll be here while you get it.
So I can't leave
so there's no
with
issue.
it tonight.
No. And you can get a friend who is sober to come pick it up who's not trespassed. That's another option, and you won't have us involved at all. However, if you come back tonight and you get into this car, you will be going to jail if you're caught.
This is the thing. I don't understand how this can walk. I looked down.
You can't walk intoxicated either. That's not going to be
Well, I'm
safe.
going to do it.
Are you okay with paying for a taxi?
We'll take this inside.
I just want...
Why do you guys get so mean? That's the thing.
We're just trying to find
We
you.
want you to be home safe.
No, you actually are being mean about this.
So how are you getting home?
I did not go out to even go out to be the person you're making me out to be.
I'm not making you out to be anything. I just am simply asking...
Hello?
Okay.
Well, what? Hi.
Yeah, you're not a good person.
Hi.
Wow. This is spiraling a little bit. We just want to make sure you get home
Because
safely.
you're not around good workers. Trust me.
Well, I know her.
I know.
I don't agree with you. I would like to focus
You're
on
not
getting you
going
home.
to.
Hello. Sorry.
Be careful. That thing gets me all the time.
Here's your trespass notice.
Okay.
Would you like us to call a cab for you? To try and get you
Miss
home?
whatever you are,
Okay.
That's Officer Lutz.
Do you want us to call a cab for
Lutz
Yes, ma'am.
or Lutz,
Would you like her to call a cab for you, yes or no?
not her.
Okay.
you? Okay. Would you like my partner to call a cab for you, ma'am?
She's like, I live 5 minutes. I said, and that's exactly where the accidents happen closest.
Yeah.
We're drunk in public, so we have two options here.
No, I'm not.
I'm going to arrest you for being drunk in public, or you're going to have a cab called and you're going to go home. But we're not going to argue here anymore, because I'm done with this.
Well, you're going to get sued.
I'm not getting sued because I'm trying to make sure that you get home safely, and you're really being argumentative, and that's all I want to do is that you get home safe. We've all had too much to drink at some point.
No, but you know what? Let's start how this started from.
I'm not going to argue the point with you.
No, you're going to have to argue the point where
I don't have to argue
it
anything.
started from.
Ma'am, what are you going to
No,
do?
you can argue the
Ma'am, what are you
ending.
going to do tonight?
No, what you're going to argue with us.
Are you going to go in a cab or are you going to go to jail? What would you prefer? Because right now I'm not going to argue with you.
Are you going to pay for the cab?
No, I'm not. I
Huh?
am not the one that got too intoxicated to responsibly drive. You did. So you are going to pay the
I
bill
could
for
walk
the cab.
home. I had plans.
Not safely. Not safely you can't.
So you can't accuse me of that.
I'm accused
So
you of
you're
what?
accusing me of not being able to walk home?
This is the point of no return. The officer gives a clear binary choice: the cab or jail. When a suspect starts arguing about who pays for the cab, they're effectively choosing the handcuffs.
Ma'am, I am telling you I'm concerned for your safety to walk home safely because you are How far away do you live?
Down the street.
Okay, what is down the street? Maybe I'll just give you a ride to your home.
Maybe you should, because you know what? I'm going to tell you right now.
Please tell me right now. What are we telling me?
Right there. Right there.
We're talking about something completely separate. Listen,
Well, is that fair?
I don't want you to feel upset. I don't want you to feel like anyone's attacking you.
Well, is that fair?
I don't think it matters at
Well,
all.
make them walk away.
They're standing over there.
No.
I'm not going to make them do anything.
They
I'm
should
talking
not
to
talk.
you. They can talk if they want to.
No. I know the rules.
What rules are you talking about? They can talk.
Yours and the legalities.
My rules. Okay.
It's not your rules. I didn't say it was your rules.
But that's actually exactly what you said. Neither here nor there. Would you like to go home now?
I wanted to go home hours ago.
You were standing here.
Well, but you showed up.
You weren't going
And
home.
I wasn't in a car. I didn't have my
Right, you weren't going
keys.
home.
I didn't have.
You had your keys in your hand.
No, but I wasn't walking out here.
You were standing next to your car, ma'am.
And why are you here now?
Oh my God. All right.
And, oh my God, why are you here now?
You're welcome to leave the property.
But you're welcome to leave.
I'm going to
me
need you.
too.
I'm going to leave you.
So-
No, I won't be leaving until you
Well,
do.
leave me alone. You're welcome.
I'm going
leave
to
me
arrest
alone.
you and take you to jail for trespassing if you don't leave the property in about 5 seconds.
No, you can't arrest me for trespassing.
I
You
can.
have to give me a warrant.
I can.
No, actually, you can't.
We already gave you a warning.
No.
She said a warrant.
There's a warrant.
She says a warrant as for a trespassing.
There's a thing.
Are we going to
You
jail
have
for
to-
trespassing? Is that what we're going to do?
I will go there.
Go now.
Okay.
Leave the property.
I'm going to sue you.
Do whatever you need to do, ma'am. I don't want to arrest you. I just want you to go home safely. So
You know what? If you weren't, you wouldn't sit here. What's your name again?
DeStephanis.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
I will walk away, but I'm gonna remember that. Good.
Good night, gentlemen.
Good.
Okay. Your 5
I
seconds
never
is up.
caused a problem here.
Well, you did tonight. Now, please leave.
No, I did not.
Leave the property.
And you should not
Leave
be
the
here
property.
either.
Leave the
I
property.
don't leave it properly.
Leave the property now. You're going the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Stop.
We're done with this. Turn around, please. Hands behind your
Stop.
back. Hands behind your back. That's enough. Hands
Really?
behind your back. Yes, I'm done with this. We are done. You've been warned. I've had enough. That's enough. Do you understand?
Stop resisting.
Do not resist.
Stop resisting.
That's enough. I've asked you too many
I was
times to
trying
leave.
to leave.
No, you weren't. You're arguing, and I've had enough.
I was arguing.
Yeah, and you don't get to do that. You have to leave when you're being told to. That's
Oh my
enough.
God, you guys are crazy.
All right, you may lean up. You may lean up
Why are you doing this?
because you didn't listen.
I
No,
listened.
you didn't. We're done. You're a grown woman. You dog. Okay. You ready to calm down?
Yes. What do you want me to do right now?
I just want you to calm down. That's what I want.
Let's calm down. So where should I go right now?
Right now, we're going to stand here for a minute because I'm not going to put you in the car and have you be upset even further.
She issued you this.
Not from the owners.
Yes.
Yes, this is
from them
But they
through us.
no, but it's through you.
We're not going to
If
argue
it
about. We're
wasn't-
not going to
no.
argue about the legal part.
God.
Right now, you are lawfully trespassed from here. We asked you multiple
will
times
take
to
it.
leave. We offered you multiple times to leave, and you still wanted to say.
Even after the cuffs are on, the officer is trying to de-escalate. By explaining that she's in cuffs, due to her own actions, the officer is attempting to ground the suspect back in reality and logic.
Can't argue. So now you are in cuffs because of your actions, because you did not leave. That's where we're at right now.
But that's where
You are
where-
committing an arrested offense.
Probably 602.
How can you hear me?
Go ahead.
Okay. That
1 female. That's fine.
I'm listening. Go ahead.
when I didn't know what you're talking about. So I had no idea.
Right?
What is unclear?
you're accusing me of something.
What
that
is
I have
unclear?
no idea
What is unclear about leave the property now?
They didn't tell me to leave the
She
property.
just told you right now. They don't have to tell you
She
anything.
did.
We have to tell you.
No, they do.
No.
Yes, they do.
No. We have to
Actually,
tell
they
you.
do.
No.
Stop. They do. And
No.
you
We're not
can't
arguing
keep doing
it.
this.
We're not arguing it because you wouldn't be in cuffs right now if we didn't have problems.
No, I was in cuffs because you want to tell me that I fought you. I didn't.
No
I'm
one's
not
saying
fighting you.
Those words came out of your
Oh
mouth,
my
not ours.
God. Dude. I don't agree with this. No, I'm not. I don't agree with this.
You don't have to agree with it. It's law.
But no,
Ma'am,
it's a, no,
I'm gonna
it's
ask you to sit down.
trespassing.
Correct. It's a misdemeanor.
You're going to sit down, or we're going to sit you down.
The defendant was sentenced to 60 days in county jail, with 45 days suspended, followed by 12 months of supervised probation.